Hey there, how are you doing? This is Kali from TechFanciers. So after unlocking the bootloader, installing custom recoveries, some users still want to be there in Stock ROM as the custom ROM may not be stable that much. They just wanted to root their current Stock ROM and make use of it. So in this video, we will see how easily you can root your Realme pad. Before proceeding further, make sure to download the Muggis KPK from the link in the description. First, reboot to TWRP. If you are not being taken there, go to fast boot and then flash the TWRP as shown in the episode 4. Once you are in TWRP, you may need to format the data due to encryption. That's why I informed you not to configure your device entirely in previous videos. If you have already configured it, please take a backup of all your data. Also have one backup of your boot partition, which will help you to revert back if you face any boot loop. Now once you format the data, go to advanced and select ADB sideload. Yes, we are going to use ADB sideload due to MTP related issues. If you have SD card, then process is simple. Just copy the Muggis APK to your SD card, insert into the tablet and directly install it. Here, after enabling ADB sideload, in platform tools type ADB sideload and drag and drop the Muggis KPK. And then hit enter. Now it will start installing the Muggis. It takes some time, so please be patient. That's all. Now we can reboot to system. The boot takes some minutes, so please be patient. We have booted. Now I will connect to my Wi-Fi and complete the Muggis installation. Yes, as you can see, it is installed successfully and asks to reboot. After reboot, you can see that our Realme pad is rooted properly. That's what about this video. Feel free to join our Telegram group and on TechFanciers and the Realme pad community to connect with similar minded people. Thank you for watching. Quote motto.